Some of the wealthiest people you'll ever meet don't look wealthy at all. No designer logos, no brand new luxury cars, no desperate need to prove anything. That's because old money follows a strange rule. If everyone can see your wealth, you're probably spending too much of it. The internet celebrates visible success. Bigger houses, flashier watches, exotic vacations. But behind closed doors, families who stay wealthy for generations often play a completely different game. Their first habit is buying quality once instead of replacing cheap things every year. The second is treating debt like a tool, not a lifestyle. Third, they protect cash flow more than appearances. A steady stream of income beats a temporary show of status. They also avoid lifestyle inflation. When income rises, investments usually rise first. They keep emergency reserves, even during booming markets, because recessions don't send invitations. Another habit is owning productive assets. Businesses, dividend-paying stocks, farmland, or rental properties quietly work while trends come and go. Old money also values privacy. The less attention wealth attracts, the fewer unnecessary expectations follow. They read financial statements more often than social media. They think in decades instead of quarters. Perhaps the most overlooked habit